When it is time to go to sleep and rest your head, do you sometimes need your favorite toy to snuggle with in bed? Yes, we do. So soft. Sometimes I don't want. Elmo has a bunny who helps him get to sleep. The bunny is soft and comfy and never makes a peep. When it is time for bed, Big Bird can sleep almost anywhere, as long as he always has his favorite teddy bear. Oh, so cute. Bird snuggles with his blankie. Oh, so very tight. It keeps him safe and warm and all throughout the night. Turn the page. Now it is time for you to say, Nighty night. What will you snuggle as we turn out the light? Cookies? Oh, silly. So Cookie Monster can buy a stuffed toy cookie, and that will be soft as he don't lay down as in the hardness. The end. Don't miss these other Sesame Beginners books. Bubbles, eyes and nose, fingers and toes at the zoo. The end.